We'll guide you through how to make your Google Docs document into a landscape format. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document on your computer. Once you're in the document, look towards the top menu bar and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Page Setup. This will open a new window with various options for your document layout. In this window, you'll see two options under the Orientation section, Portrait and Landscape. You need to select Landscape to change the page orientation. After selecting Landscape, you can also adjust the paper size, margins, and color if needed. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on OK to apply the changes. Your entire document will now be in landscape mode, giving you more horizontal space for content like charts or wide tables. If you're planning to create a new document and want it to be in landscape by default, you can also click Set as Default in the Page Setup window. This way, every new document you create will open in landscape mode automatically. Remember, if you ever need to switch back to Portrait, simply follow the same steps and choose Portrait instead. It's a simple yet effective way to customize your document to suit your needs, and it can make a big difference in how your content is displayed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.